Hi guys, wanted to share with you my idea for what I do with my fire pit. Um, when I'm not using it as a fire pit, which for many of you is probably quite often. How many of you, your fire pit sits out here kind of like this? It's more of an eyesore than anything else, especially during the daytime. So here was my answer for what I did with that. I went and bought a sheet of plywood and I cut 2 rounds from it and screwed them together. It's been coated with shellac on both sides of each piece with several coats to help prevent water damage. But we're going to go a step further as well. So after you get your rounds cut to the size that you want, you might have to come up with ideas on how you're going to lift this in case you need to, but for my case, it works pretty good the way it is. What I do, I have a grate that goes with this, and instead of putting it the normal way, because it's got only two handles, the board won't sit flat on it, I turn it upside down, and that way I have 3 points to rest my round on. So in my case, I'm pretty lucky for the height there. And when you're done using your fire pit and you want to get it ready just to sit there nice and pretty for the rest of the week or all the time, and what you can do a step further, I went on Amazon, found a round vinyl tablecloth cover that I stretch over, which really helps a lot for keeping water damage. It is a little bit of a job to get put on there, but once you got it on, you're good. And now you got a nice seating area with your friends during the daytime or the night. So hope you like the idea. Take care.